Hey, it's Paul Motley here, and as this video states, we are going to go through how you can be a Clickfunnels affiliate and how I made over $52,000 doing so. And if that's interesting for you, then if you stick around towards this end of this video, I'm also going to show you exactly how it's done and how you can actually get a dream car paid for by Clickfunnels itself. So I'm going to stop the camera shake now, and I'm going to pop the computer on, and we'll see you there in 1 second. Okay, so here we are. So we're inside of the back of my Clickfunnels dashboard. So if you are already a member, you should be familiar with this, and we're going to go ahead and show you where you can go and find all those good, cool links to start promoting Clickfunnels as an affiliate. And as promised, I'm going to go through a couple of things to show you how you can get paid a boatload of money doing so every single month, because Clickfunnels offers you 40% commission on every product that they sell. So on the Clickfunnels software, for example, for this, they give you 40% commission, and there's two levels to it. There's the $97 plan and the $297 plan. So you're either going to get $38.80 a month on one plan, or $118.80 a month, I had to remember then, on the full suite. So that's really cool, because if you get more and more people on there, then you're going to get more money. And if you get over 100, then they're actually going to give you an extra $500 bonus per month, as long as you keep above that amount to spend on a dream car, which I was really lucky enough, because if you have a look up around this video, there should be a screenshot there now of the actual car that I picked up, which is my dream car, which is a Ford Mustang GT. Absolutely love that car. Best time of my life driving it. So we're going to start diving in now, and we're going to go up here. So if you aren't a Clickfunnels member already, then there will be a link below this video, so you can go ahead and get 14-day trial even. However, it's important to note that you don't actually have to be a Clickfunnels user to be an affiliate. So there will be another link further down below to actually sign up as an affiliate without actually having to be a customer, if you like. But one thing that I would point out is, why wouldn't you be? First off, you get that 14-day free trial anyway to start off with. Second of all, how could you sell, or how could you possibly sell a product without knowing the product itself and be able to show people exactly how it's going to solve their problems and therefore get you sales? And that's the main point about affiliate marketing, is you want to be able to solve people's problems so that they come on and buy that product from you. And of course, by using Clickfunnels itself, we can actually build what we call bridge pages, which is where we'll send people to one page that we make, and they'll fill their details in, and then you send them off to the actual Clickfunnels to buy page. So that is why you can actually start building your own list up, as well as getting those affiliate sales further. And because the best way of putting it is, if you build your list, then if they take that offer, that's great, or you can send them something else and something else, something else, all the way down the line. But the point is, you're building your own list, which is your asset, and you keep that for life. And those emails, details, or whatever type of list you decide to go for, whether it's messenger bot list or, like I say, subscribers on YouTube or anything like that, then it's really cool. And that brings me to another point. If you've got this far in the video so far and you like what you see, please make sure you subscribe and drop that notification button on, so you get told basically when I put new videos out. So let's get back to what I started talking about to begin with. So we're going to go ahead and find the affiliate section, and this is where all my figures will be. So we're going to hit that, and it should load up if I've done it properly. Just wait for my internet, super slow. And this is the actual start of the page itself, and this is really cool because at the moment they've got like one funnel away, which is going on, and some other really cool stuff as well. So it's worth watching this video here, which again, I'll drop a link to the affiliate bootcamp. Now, the affiliate bootcamp itself is something that Russell Brunson and the team have put together to help affiliates grow their affiliate marketing business. It is actually free to join the affiliate bootcamp, so it's well worth going through that training. There is absolutely, they could sell that for like $1,000 or $2,000 easily, but if you're going to start with this, then you might as well go through the bootcamp as well. So you can hit that link below. There will be a link to the affiliate bootcamp, so make sure you go through that training, get yourself signed up as an affiliate, and it'd be super cool, and you will start earning money, which is great. So I'm just going to briefly explain what it's like inside, where you find the links, and how you can then start putting them out there. So please stay with me while it just does this. and I'm going to show you some proof of earnings as well. Very exciting. So what have we got on today? Today I have earned $118, which is pretty cool considering it's still before midday. Yesterday was a pretty good day, nearly 300. Friday, brilliant day, 800. And you can see here, total amount earned so far is $52,623.28. And in the next couple of days, I'm going to be looking at getting paid out about $4,300, which is really nice, actually. I'm happy with that. Now, so if we look through the actual funnels themselves, these are all the products and services that Clickfunnels are currently marketing and selling. So all these things here, like the 10x Secrets, 30-day Summit, Affiliate Bootcamp, the Clickfunnels Affiliate Center, which is the actual Clickfunnels product itself. And scrolling past this, I'll come back to this in a minute. .com Secrets book, Expert Secrets book, Funnel Hackers Cookbook. These are all products and services that you can sell as an affiliate. So it's not just the Clickfunnels software itself, they have other products and services. So like, I'm just going to move the mic here a second. Like the .com Secrets book here, if you go ahead and look at some of my other videos, I actually did a review of this book, and it made a superb difference to our business when we first started implementing what I read. And so it's well worth getting that book as well anyways. It's free plus shipping. It's like, I don't know, $8 or something, which is next to nothing. So you might as well get it. So there's loads of cool stuff here. Now down here, there's a whole bunch of emails. So when people go ahead and start looking at joining Clickfunnels themselves, they'll appear on that email list at the bottom there, which are all, you can then copy them manually. You can get some software to drag it off and actually put it into an autoresponder for you as well. Now, that list includes those people which actually put their email address in but did not actually go ahead and complete their purchase or start their trial through Clickfunnels themselves. So just be aware of which ones have and which ones haven't. And it's very easy to find that, because if you click on this button here, remember this is the bit where we find the Clickfunnels program software links themselves. This is where you can go ahead and find the people which are actually doing a trial right now. So that's more important than the list on the bottom, to be totally honest and fair with you. So if we go through to the stats, this is the important bit. So at the moment it's showing that I am currently earning over $6,000 a month, which is superb. I'm more than happy with that. It's projecting over $72,000 per year, which is a pretty decent income considering it is part-time, and I have a different job, so it's not my full-time gig. So I'm really happy with that. Now let's go through else. So in the last 7 days, I've generated 10 new trials. So 10 new people have come along, decided to take the Clickfunnels free trial through one of my links that I have posted all around the internet, and currently trialing 12. So there's another 2 people which are still on the trial from last week. This bit here, churn. Now that's important because these are the amount of people that are going through their trial but then drop off. So they're users and they drop off. There's always a churn rate with these things. People will cancel for some reason or just stop using it or whatever that. So getting that number down lower is obviously better. Trial stick rate, this shows a percentage of people which actually complete their 14-day free trial, because for some unknown reason people actually stop their trial before it's even ended. I don't get that. I don't understand. So off these current trialing, based on these figures, Clickfunnels roughly say potentially I could get an extra $674 added to this, which is going to push me up towards $7,000 per month, which again is pretty cool. Now, as I mentioned before about that Clickfunnels dream car bonus thing, so we're going to go ahead and have a look at that. So this is the important bit. This is where you actually get the links to be sending out to people to get them to come into Clickfunnels from your link itself. There's another link on there for the Affiliate Bootcamp, certainly worth doing. Now, if you look down here, I currently have 100 Clickfunnels members, right? This is live, not staged or anything like that. So this is my actual figures. So if you get 100 active members, they'll cover the lease of the car up to $500 a month. Well, they actually pay you $500 a month, which is really cool and nice. If I get to 200, or if you get to 200, they're going to increase that payment to $1,000 a month. Now that is on top of your existing monthly earnings through the Clickfunnels program, and of course any one-off payments that you get from selling any of their other products as well. So it's super, super cool. So what do we do? Well, what do you want to promote? Well, these two here are selling the more high ticket things, and that is the actual free trial. So I will go to that button there, and if you've seen my other videos as well, I'm actually going to talk about the affiliate sub ID 1 and affiliate sub ID 2. So what I will do is we'll post another link below so you can actually go ahead and watch that video, because then I'm going to share with you exactly how to put it together, what you're supposed to do with it, and where to put it as well. So that's super cool. So they do also have not just a standard landing page there, they do have a regular trial, a short trial, and then all these are case studies. So if you were looking at going towards people that are already in e-commerce, for example, and you want to take them off what they're using at the moment, say it's Shopify, and you want to introduce them to Clickfunnels, then there is a case study for that. And if they go ahead to that page, download the case study, join Clickfunnels, you're going to get commission for that, and that's going to be coded to you. So that's super cool. Anyway, so that is basically how you sign up as a Clickfunnels affiliate. There's sort of like little bits of earnings there, little bit of information about how you can actually get everything put up together. Like I said, there will be links below this video. The important one is to get your free trial to start with. Another one will be to actually go ahead and sign up as a Clickfunnels affiliate if you just want to do that. But like I said, you can do that once you've joined anyway. Why don't you join? You might as well. You've got 14 days to give it a go anyway, and you get some super cool extra bonuses from me as well, sent out by email. Massive value, can't tell you. I am a Clickfunnels Dream Car winner, so you might as well learn from someone who's got where you want to be, got these results that you want, and created that lifestyle that I'm able to do for myself. So it's really cool. So yeah, so there's a whole bunch of stuff there as well. So hopefully this finds you well, and looking forward to seeing you on the next video.